To use Terabox cloud storage, you can access the app on either your computer or mobile phone, as it works similarly on both devices. Once logged in, you can click on Home and My Files to view all your uploaded files. This cloud storage service provides 1 terabyte of free storage, which is approximately 1024 gigabytes. To add files, you can click My Files and then Upload Files, selecting the desired file from your computer. The upload process can be tracked in the Transfer tab, and a notification will sound once the upload is complete. After uploading a file, you can view it by double-clicking on it. You can also manage your files by selecting them and choosing options such as sharing, downloading, deleting, or storing. Additionally, you can organize your files into categories like pictures, videos, documents, and music. The app allows you to access your files by clicking on My Files, and you can also share files or access your personal vault, which can be password protected. A recycle bin is also available to view recently deleted files. The app features a shortcut to your favorite folder, allowing for easy access. Furthermore, a backup function is available, enabling you to automatically backup folders from your computer. This can be done by selecting the desired folder and enabling the backup feature. The app will then synchronize the folder and backup its contents. Although the free version has limitations, such as limited backup space, it still provides a useful service for basic backups. Overall, Terabox Cloud Storage is a simple and user-friendly service that offers essential functions for managing and storing your files.